A Few Minutes with Fade to Black episode 7 starts right now. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black. A Few Minutes with Fade to Black, where we have a series where we talk about what you guys have going on in your life, what you guys have going on with your automotive endeavor, and you can comment down below and interact with other people about your stories, what's going on in your life. You know, so many people like to talk about what we got going on as YouTubers, but I want to flip it and see what you guys have going on. So I have a topic for this week. It's kind of a few things that just kind of came up, but at the same time, it's another thing that I've kind of been planning for a while now. So the topic for this week is, what is your recent purchase for your car? Now, when I say recent purchase, I'm just curious of what you have bought for your car. Has it been like another set of rims? Has it been a modification? Has it been a repair? Maybe you need a new brakes or something like that. What is your recent purchase for your car? Well, I have two things that kind of happened to me last week. So one was kind of unplanned, but like I said before, another one is planned. So this week, if you see my other video about goals for 2020, the goal is to get this box Chevy on the road. I want to get this thing running and see if possibly we can start getting some modifications done to it. So with that, the first thing that I got for this car is a new set of tires. Now, 15-inch tires with white walls. Honestly, I never expected to have to buy another set of those again. But I wanted to buy something to put on this car so I can get it rolling around and then take it to get some of the repairs done and get it to be able to at least be able to move it around. The tires on the thing right now are completely shot. Like, I don't even know how long these tires have been in there. Who knows when the last time they changed those tires? So I definitely need a new set of tires. Now, if it all goes my way, I like to put some custom rims and tires on it at some point. But right now, like I said, we need to get the thing rolling before we can start worrying about that. So I got a new set of tires for it. Now, the other thing that was very unplanned was the alternator went out in my Chevy Silverado. Now, recently in another video, I told you guys how I was getting the wheel bearing fixed. A buddy of mine came over and got the wheel bearing fixed in my Silverado. Now, this week, yeah, the alternator went out. It actually left me stranded on the highway like an hour and a half from my house. So I had to get a tow truck, brought the truck back home. I knew I could replace the alternator myself, so I went and bought it. Put it in, now all is well, the truck is back on the road. Man, I'm gonna keep driving this truck until the wheels fall off because, you know, actually I kind of love this truck, but we'll talk about that in another video. So once again, man, I thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for hanging out with Fade to Black. I'm hoping that you guys have checked out some of my other videos, some of the live streams, to see what we got going on, see how kind of I do things with Fade to Black, because I greatly appreciate that. I really do look forward to these series because it kind of lets me know what you guys have going on with your automotive projects, and I can kind of share what I got going on with my automotive projects at the same time. So if you just found this channel, go ahead, please definitely smash that subscribe button, comment down below, check out some of the other video in the series where we talk about what you got going on, and if you have a tip for a weekly topic, I would greatly appreciate that tip too. Leave it down below, maybe we can make a weekly topic on that. Give this video a like because I would greatly appreciate it. That just makes YouTube, lets YouTube know that you guys are paying attention to the videos. And until next time, stay faded. Thank you guys. Peace.